Okay, this is my 66 Delta 88 convertible. I took a video first time almost a year ago when I first found it, before I touched it or anything, but this is what it looks like now. It's had a lot of work as far as mostly just cleaning. A lot of man hours put into buffing this thing and just getting it cleaned. Sat for 10 years. If you see the other previous video, you'll see that yeah, the vehicle was just, windshield was covered in dirt, and yeah, it was in pretty rough shape for sitting for 10 years, but yeah, I've been putting some time in it here and there. Everything is quite original on this car. You know, I took the rims off and sanded them and repainted them, and buffed it, polished the chrome. There is just a little bit of rust. Where is it? There it is. There's a little bit of bubbling right there, and the other side's a little bit worse, but that's about it. Yeah, I'll just move around the car. Really, it's runs awesome. I have figured it out that the mileage is 38,000 miles. I found some of the old receipts and stuff like that. It took the guy 3 years to get 3,000 miles on this car when he bought it new. I have the Protecto plate, and the numbers on the Protecto plate match the engine numbers and also match the transmission numbers. So let me try to pop the hood. Oh, one-handed. My engine has just been cleaned up some, you know, the standard parts replaced. I did replace the front coils and shocks, and so yeah, that's the engine. That's the 425. Puts out 310 horsepower. It's got the 2-barrel carburetor. Came standard with this vehicle, but other than that, yeah, it's just you know, little things like insulation under the hood and a lot of little. I'll show you the inside of it. There was you know, I did a little research. There was 4,300 of these cars built, so somewhat low production. Of course, automatic. They're pretty much all automatics, but there's the gauges, original radio, and of course all the seats and everything's original. I got a few things on my list to fix, but you know, I'll get around to it. I believe the top is original. That's a hard glassed window. It's not the plastic, and you know, of course little things like this need to still be taken care of. I have some of this fabric coming, so I could redo this, and just need to tuck up the carpet. But anyway, yeah, that's my car. That's you know, one owner up until you know, 6 months ago, 7 months ago. But yeah, that's my Delta 88. It's we drive it quite a bit. In the summertime, we drove it quite a bit as soon as I got it running, and yeah, the kids love it, and we love driving around in the convertible. Well, that's it. Talk to you later.